హలో స్టూడెంట్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు Grad-Dreams యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. యూఎస్ఏలో కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నారా? అయితే శాన్ ఫ్రాన్సిస్కో స్టేట్ యూనివర్సిటీని ఎందుకు చూస్ చేసుకోవాలో టాప్ 5 రీజన్స్ ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. కమింగ్ టు ద ఫస్ట్ రీజన్, శాన్ ఫ్రాన్సిస్కో ఇస్ కన్సిడర్డ్ యాజ్ ది వరల్డ్స్ టెక్ క్యాపిటల్. ఎప్పుడైనా వరల్డ్స్ టెక్ క్యాపిటల్ లో చదవాలని కలగన్నారా? అయితే శాన్ ఫ్రాన్సిస్కోలో మీ కల నిజమవుతుంది. ది వరల్డ్స్ బిగ్గెస్ట్ టెక్ హబ్స్ లైక్ యాపిల్, గూగుల్, ట్విట్టర్ are all just around the corner. Imagine stepping out of class and being in the same city where latest tech breakthroughs are happening. So, if you are thinking of career in tech, then there is no better place than to be in San Francisco. Coming to the second reason, faculty. Faculty at San Francisco are not just professors, they are the industry leaders, researchers, and mentors with years of experience in real world. They have worked with top companies which you dream of joining, and now they are ready to mentor you. Artificial intelligence, data science, cyber security, or big data. Course edaina, you will be learning from the best in the field. Coming to the third reason, San Francisco is an extended campus. It's not just the classroom where the magic happens. Ever thought of getting a coffee at a cafe where startup CEOs are brainstorming their next big idea? That's what it's like if you study here. You will be at tech meetups, industry conferences, and hackathons, all just around walking distance from the campus. Who knows, your future employer could be sitting at the table next to you. Coming to the fourth reason, hands-on learning with real world projects. San Francisco's curriculum is designed for real world. ఇక్కడ మీరు థియరీ మాత్రమే చదవరు. You will be working on live projects, collaborating with top tech companies, and building a portfolio that will make you stand out. Imagine graduating with projects that the top tech companies have already noticed. Coming to the fifth point, affordability without compromise. San Francisco isn't just about its faculty and location. It is one of the most affordable universities in California. As a public university, it offers international students a world-class education with a tuition of around $19,000 per year, which is significantly lower than many private institutions in the area. So, opportunities like this don't wait. Apply now and secure your spot in one of the most affordable tech programs in the world's leading innovation hub. So, if you found this video useful, then hit on the like button and share it with your friends who needs to hear this. Thank you all.